We are in the app Avantio.com, which is the vacation rental management system that we use. To enter for the first time, you can enter your email address. If you don't have your password, click here. You will receive an email, and then with that email, you can put in your password. Make sure that your password meets all the requirements of minimum number of characters, of special characters and numbers and everything. Then you can choose English here and start. This is just an example of one of the houses that we manage. It might be that you see less or more options here in the left menu. That depends on what kind of features are activated for your account. So to see the calendar, you can go here and see availability. Here you will see which ones are blocked, pre-reserved or reservation. Pre-reservation is the status wherein the client has booked but not paid. Reservation is the status wherein it is booked, and owner bookings. So that would be your availability. Here you can check the photos of your website. You can see a preview of how you see the website, your house on our website as well. So that would be accommodations, list of properties, or photos and descriptions. Then you can go to bookings, a list of bookings. Here you will see it might be empty. That's because there are filters. For example, date of booking only the last 2 weeks. If you check all, and for example, say I only want to see the ones that are confirmed or booked or paid, then you search. Internet is not too quick. Here you will see the booking number, the date that it was booked, check-in, check-out, the status of the reservation, number of nights, how many adults, how many children. And if you check here, then you will see the client information. In this case, it only has its name, but if it's a paid booking, you will see that the passport number or ID number of the client is filled in as well, and the name. So that's what you use for the declaration of your fiscal obligations. And so you can find those here. Then you have the settlements. Here you can see all the payments that are the settlements and thus the payments that are made. You can go in here, see the general information, the booking from date to date, the payment that is made, the taxes if they are applied or not. And then you can see the document if you like, and it generates a PDF automatically if you want to print that or maybe save it on your computer. So this would be the standard PDF of the payment. If you go back here and if you don't see anything in this area, or if you don't see what you are looking for, these settlements are all from this year. So if you want to see last year, for example, because you want to do the declaration of last year or whatever for, then you can select here last year and search, and you will see the same, but for last year. Then we have reports and exports. This is, for example, occupation percentage per month. In your question, one of your questions was, how can I see how many days are occupied? This is where you can see that. So here is the name of the accommodation. and the number of occupied days in July and in August and in September. It always shows the last 3 months of the year, but as in other examples, you can just click on filters. 1 month in several years, several months in the same year. You can select maximum of 3 months. So either you can say, I want to see August of 21, 22, 23, whatever, or July, August, September for this year, whatever you like. So this is the filters that you can see it in. Then here you can see a list of all the reservations that have been confirmed. Again, here you can see the filters. You can export it in a PDF, Excel, whatever you wish. And here is the calendar, which is a vertical one. So it's different, a little different from the one that was in the first option, which would be here in accommodations, see availability. And those are the basics of Avantio. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.